Okay, so in this video, I'm going to capture the features of an Android television. Would do a review of it, but more importantly, I'm going to cover the cool apps that are capable of being installed on this television. The wide variety of apps so you can install, how you can do it, how you can manage it, what are the best practices that you should manage. So stay tuned. So before I begin, I would ask you to subscribe to my channel if you want to stay tuned and remain updated, like my videos and share with your friends if you really like it. Okay, so this is how it starts. This is a typical Android television. This is Sony Android television, but even if you have a smart television, it will be not much of a difference. I've done quite a few videos where I've captured the differences and pros and cons between the Android television and a smart television. So this is the home screen of an Android television, and this is how a typical remote would look like. So you can have see, I mean, this is how you get the inputs. There are button for the football mode, then Netflix, there is a separate button, home button, back button, action menu, and then this is typical multimedia keyboard you can see in here. Okay, moving back here, this is how a typical home screen of an Android television would look like once you started your television. Okay, so this is no different, but what I will do in this video, I will try to capture the apps that are on this television, how you can install them and how you can manage them, as I said earlier. Okay, so these are the featured apps. So you can see Netflix, you can see ViewView, BBC iPlayer. If you want, I can quickly demo a few. So we've got into BBC iPlayer. It hasn't started yet, but it will, and this is how it reflects how long it takes for an app to load. So not really great, but once it loads, it's seamless, so it won't create any issues. It allows me to sign in. I don't want to do it at this point, so I'll press the back button, so I won't log in. But you can see in here at the top, you can select channels. I will go to, let's say, BBC News, and I should be able to see live news from start. I need to have a TV license and I have it, so there's no problem. Do you want to start the news from the beginning, or do you want to watch live news? I've selected beginning, and this is how it starts in here, the 1 o'clock news on Thursday afternoon, right? So this is the BBC News app. I won't just take in here, but come out and I'll tell you firstly how you would install any typical app. So if you have an Android television, you would also have Google Play Store. So this is similar to a Play Store you would have on your smart Android mobile phone or a tablet. You go in here, you sign in with your Google ID, Gmail ID, and once you've done that, so I've already done that, so I have gone into my account, and once you've done that, you should be able to see a quite a great variety of apps. Like this is a Facebook video app. You can install it and do video chats on your television with a webcam installed to it. You can attach it through a USB drive or optical cable. It will all work. And similarly, AccuWeather is one of the apps you can install. It will take your location and through GPS system, and once that is done, as you on your screen on your mobile, you get the weather updates. You will get the same on your television. YouTube Kids, if you got kids, this is a great app. You should install it. Let me do that now. You click on that and there is an install button. Let's see how long does it take. So I've got a 25 Mbps speed, and I know usually get around 20 to 25 Mbps download speed with 7 to 8 Mbps of upload speed. So you can relate to how long normally an app would take to install. Okay, so YouTube Kids is installed on my machine. There was an option to uninstall it if I need to, and this is how to look. Get started. Okay, it's asking for a code which I don't want to enter now, but I can't go beyond if I don't enter it. Okay, it's a wrong pin. Okay, it's asking for a pin, okay, which I've set while I was setting my television. So anyways, I'm just exiting it now, and you can see I'm coming out now. Okay, so this is how you'll install an app. This is a wide variety of apps that are available on the Google Play Store on your TV. So any Android app that is compatible with your television, that will be available to be downloaded. Like let me download this Cine Trailer. So this is an app which would allow you to watch latest movie trailers. So this is a 3 MB space. It would take 3 MB and it's quick. It was quick within 3 or 4 seconds. It has been installed. Let me open it and let me quickly play trailer, and you can see the timing. I mean, at least the main thing you need to notice is the lag time it takes to play an app or play do a next action. So you can see. So okay, anyways, let me go out. So this is one of the cool app. You can uninstall it here. You can see the description of the app, what it is all about. So that's useful. Top selling, so there are some paid apps as well. So mostly these are games. So Android TV is really cool if you are into gaming. So there are a great variety of games that you can install. Then you need to buy joysticks and other pads to play, control pads and all, controllers and all. So once you have that, you can play in LAN, online. Most importantly, for these apps to be used, you need to have a good and fast and reliable, more importantly, a broadband connection. So VLC player, that is one of the apps that you should have, that would allow you to play movies or movie files if you have it on your USB drive, or maybe on a shared LAN folder location. If you have it on your PC, you would be able to play it from there. It would look for all the devices that are on the same network. This is how it looks, the VLC player. You get into it and it will look for all the videos. At the moment there is no USB attached to it, but if you come down and see the browsing, it will say whether you're looking for internal memory or local network, and you should be able to, if there is a movie file there on the local network, you should be able to find it. This is one of the apps. Then you got Kodi is one of the apps that's it's similar to torrent. Once you've done the settings, which should take around 5 to 10 minutes, once you've done the settings, you should be able to see free movie series, movies, and live streaming of the channels worldwide. Any channel you should be able to watch. So I've done quite a few review videos of this Kodi app with settings and demo and everything. You should be able to see that if you are really keen to know more about it. So these are some more games and animations, animated series for children, entertainment apps, Spotify, etc., Rakuten, TED, again Facebook video, tune in. You should be able to see FM and radio and everything. So this is how it is. But more importantly, now I'll tell you how to manage them. Okay, so you can install it from the Google Play Store, but to uninstall, to force stop. So if you're running multiple apps, like your PC or your tab or your phone, Android phone, your machine might get frozen or hanged. So what you need to do is you go in there, you look for the apps. Let's say YouTube ads, you go in there and you should be able to force stop it. You remember on your PC or on your laptop, you have an option when you go to the task manager, you can kill a process. Similarly, you can uninstall from here, or you can see the storage use, or you can clear the cache from time to time, whether you want some notifications to be pushed when you're watching television or not, things like that. Similarly for Kodi, if you go in here, it will tell you the storage space. It's a bulky one, 330 MB of internal shared memory used, and then you can clear cache, and also you can force stop it, because this is a very bulky application, and it quite a few times I need to go and force stop and kill the process so that my Android TV can work as normal. So Yup TV is one of the apps that I have installed, and that allows me to watch Asian televisions and movies, but you need subscription for that. Okay, coming back to the main screen, I'll quickly show you another few more apps. Cine Trailer, YouTube Kids, you've seen. UView is again also if you're watching free view channels. So how do you do that? You need to do digital tuning of your TV through a cable that should be connected through the TV point that is on your on should be on the wall of your TV of your house or your or flat, and there would be an antenna on top of the building where you're living or on top of your house. Or if you have a satellite connection, you go and do the satellite tuning. So I've done the tuning already, so it should show me the free view channels like the BBC News that I was watching earlier. So this is it takes it's taking more time than usual. I don't know why it's a bit slow. Maybe because I've just installed quite a few apps. That is the reason you need to kill the apps from time to time. So you can change channels and in here and you see. Okay, okay, I've just muted it. Okay, so this is how you change the channels. Okay, and the information of the channels is being shown through UView app. So you saw UView app on the home screen earlier. Okay, and then YouTube, you can log into YouTube and it will give you your recommendations to the channels that you have subscribed earlier. So again, you can customize it to what videos you would want to see depending on your subscriptions and all. So I've customized it for myself. And the thing is, you need to set your television on automatic updates for the apps, so that these apps keeps on getting updated from time to time. But at the same time, you also need to remember that if the speed is not great, then in that case, these a lot of processes would be happening in background, and it would slow your TV. Prime Video, ITV. I've done review videos of all of these apps. So tune into my channel, subscribe to it, and post in your questions. I've done review of this internet browser, which is the Opera one. You can download a few more as well. Okay, so this is how the browser looks if it starts, but it's a lot slow today. I don't know why, but in a way, I think to troubleshoot, if you have any issues, the first thing you should do is to plug off the cable and do a hard or a soft restart of your TV. If that doesn't solve the issue, 90% will solve the issue. If not, then the only option you've got to do is to go back to your home button, go to settings, and then do a factory reset. That should solve. That would, and then you will have to rebuild your television. I've done videos on that, on how to reset your TV and how to rebuild it. So you go to storage and reset, and then you click on this factory reset. It will erase everything and then bring your television to the day it was when you bought it new. Okay, so these about will tell you the Android version that is on your television. So this is my device name, and then it's Bravia 2015 model version 7. Okay, so it gives you all the information. I haven't gone into other settings and all, but I have in different videos, or you should be able to catch up on that. So how the display settings can be set. This is a 3D video, a 3D TV, and also in a 4K one. How you do the channel setup, digital one, and all. So I've done that on the various videos. So just go into my channel, YouTube channel. You should be able to see that. These are the inputs. So you can see there are HDMI 1, HDMI 2, 3, 4, AVI, and screen mirroring option all in here. So it's becomes really easy to manage your TV if you have an Android phone as well, and you can use that as a remote and maybe just cast everything. So if you use Google Chrome, you can cast the Google Chrome tab onto your television, just as you cast your YouTube from your mobile to your TV. You can also cast the Google Chrome browser tab onto your TV. So whatever you see on your PC or on your mobile phone, you'll be able to see on your television as well. So it's really cool. Languages you can set, keyboards and everything. That's quite normal. Location. So there would be a lot of apps who would want to see your location, where you're located. So you can use that. Usage and diagnostic if you want to send details to Android to improve it and all. So, and you can have multiple Google sign-ins as well. So to maybe customize whatever you want to see from time to time. Sounds, illumination, LED, these are all common. So I'll cover a lot of other things on other videos. So subscribe to my channel, like it, and post in your comments. I'll be quite happy to answer them if I missed anything on this video. But I should have covered a lot of things on other videos. So thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Bye bye.